let's drop this in and we can eat.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Yes.
Side note, this month we had 4 double yolks in the household.
Yeah, that was crazy. So what are we eating today?
Today we are eating this thing called Budae Jiggae.
AKA army stew.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm Korean, as
I'm not.
some of you guys might know. Army stew, it's a bit of a historical food, but during Korean War, American boys, right? American soldiers and other G's came to save South Korea to fight back neighbors.
Yeah.
Back then, Korea was broke. All the broke kids are like hungry. American soldiers, out of pity, they give us baked beans and spam. And Korean people chunked everything together into a stew.
Oh.
That's why it's called army stew, because it's like army
I see.
food stew.
I thought it was just a trendy thing because of BTS. Army Squad.
Oh yeah. I didn't even think about that.
I was so shocked to find out that people put baked beans in there.
Yeah.
When I first saw it, I couldn't believe my eyes.
Yeah, I'm kind of against it myself, but then I've tried to kind of stick to this like a recipe. It does make it a little bit sweeter and starchier, so if you ever had army stew before, this is a way for you to make it at home, or just eat out.
I'll try a spam.
Yeah, spam looks pretty good. It's pretty cooked.
Yo-ho!
Okay.
Oh! Wow.
I know some of you guys hate like spam because it tastes like fake meat, but that's because you don't know how to cook it right.
Spam fried rice is pretty good.
Yeah. In Korea, like spam is considered like almost like a delicacy.
Really?
You would like give them to people for like Thanksgiving, like Korean Thanksgiving.
You give people spam?
Yeah, it's like a gift set. Yeah.
Oh. Special drink of the day.
Ah, this
Oh,
Korean
it's
night.
pink.
Oh my gosh. Serious. I do water. We should blur out the brand, yeah. 1 out of 5. I'm gonna have a tteokbokki first. We got the really long one.
Let's have it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, did it expire?
No? Why?
I'm personally against it.
What is it?
It doesn't taste like a duck that I know, the traditional duck, the really chunky, thick one.
I don't mind it.
Really? It seems too thin. That there's no like that.
This is tteokbokki noodles though.
Fake news.
I like it. Let's have a sausage.
Okay, I think this is Johnson sausage, right?
Yeah. Is it a Korean thing or just like a market thing?
In Korea, Johnson sausage is like the staple.
What about Frankfurt?
That's some fake shit. Alright, let's taste the capitalism from America.
Ayo.
That's good enough, right? I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Got some kimchi as well.
That's okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
Thanks.
Look at this. Okay, cheers. It looks pretty soaked in. This is it. Ah.
It's so sweet.
I think the sweetness is coming from the beans.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if jalapeno is spicy.
Is it? Not really. Let's grab all that. All that.
Aha! Hot.
Yeah. Oh, and good news today, guys.
Come on, announce it.
I got my driver's license. Okay, she can drive. What can you drive? You can drive manual, right? Yeah, she can drive manual. Okay, so she's been driving me around. Okay, I have my reason. Okay, like I've been to like many different countries.
Same.
Didn't have time to get it.
Got it when I was young, when I had the time.
Yeah, and I got it now.
Yeah, that's the most important bit.
Yeah, and I barely passed too.
You passed.
So stay off the road.
No. When you pass, you pass. A low flying pass is also a pass. If not, you would. It's not a pass. You get me?
Fair game. And chunky.
And the unknown meat. To be honest, spam meat is more unknown. What's spam made of?
I don't know. And this is mine.
Looks amazing.
Mine.
Wow.
Oh shit. Oh yes.
Aiyo.
Oh yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Drop it like your house. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Who should we dedicate this video to?
Tupac.
Tupac?
Oh my god, Tupac didn't sing that song.
What song?
Drop it like it's hot. Who sang that song?
You're so off. Anyways, we dedicate this video to 1,500 of you guys.
Oh.
Because for some reason, I think our last mukbang we barely had 1,000. Did we have 1,000?
Barely.
Barely. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we have 1,500.
That's crazy. That's like more than half.
Yeah, why are you guys watching us?
Why? Let us know why.
I know it's not for me. It must be for her.
I think it's for you.
Nah. There's no way.
Is it the travel vlogs? Is it the shorts?
Or is it the mukbang? You tell me.
Or is it the Pakistani food? You tell me.
That's true. Every day some person in Pakistan is commenting on the video.
We love that.
It's
And
crazy.
I'm trying to make Pakistani food now. I'm looking into how to make things. But this specific spices like nihari masala, I cannot find at all. Like on Amazon, on everywhere. So we'll have to wait until we go to like a Pakistani store if we come across one at all.
Yeah. Keep in mind, we live in northern Canada. It's middle of nowhere.
Yeah, even Amazon doesn't have it, so we will have to wait.
Okay.
And then we'll do a Pakistani mukbang.
And if you're Pakistani and living abroad, let us know if there are any other ingredients we can use as an alternative. That's the key. That's the key.
Yes, please let us know.
Yeah, you guys know the best. Anyways, thanks guys.
Thank you.
We talk shit, but then we love you guys. 이게 맞아.
Ayo.
Okay.
Cheers.
I try to look up when we eat. It's hot.
Good idea, right?
Wow. The palate cleanser. Oh shit. Alright. So that's it for today.
We will finish this off camera. It is good to see you again, and thank you for 1,500.
That is pretty sick.
Yeah.
And if you've never made army stew before and you want to try, our recipe is gonna be right below, or up here, somewhere here, or in the comment. And yeah, give it a go. It's pretty easy Korean food to make and eat.
What's our thing?
I don't know. We should think of one.
Oh, based on previous videos, you always do this. Bye.
Should we do that?
That's a bit.
It's gay. That's a bit. We should have an iconic thing.
We'll think of something.
Should we do this?
Go bye for now. What's that?
Heart.
It looks like a Superman kicking. You want to see?
Heart.
Like that?
Oh, that's gay.
I like that.
Oh, that's so.
Muay.
Okay.
Say muay.
Okay, muay gung like that. Muay
Muay.
gung. Peace.
Okay, I'm too embarrassed for this to go out.
It's funny.
We'll see.
Muay gung.
Bye.
Johnson's sausage, tofu, rice cake, Heinz beans, a special sauce, jalapeno, yeah, spring onion, dashida. Oh, so much juice.